Races out Canlaon. Don that was a spill. Don Albertini. Jackie Apprentice Roman Raquel took a spill. Penrith Canlaon now down on the inside is Mr. Minister. Penrith on the outside. Canlaon is racing in third. Then followed by Up and Away. Next in line, Hot and Spicy and Divine Zazie. Mr. Minister Canlaon moving up in the middle. Penrith on the outside. Penrith Canlaon firing out for the leader. Mr. Minister in third, Divine Zazie and Adam Spicy. Canlaon by the neck. On the outside is Penrith. Mr. Minister Adam Spicy in fourth, Divine Zazie. But it's still Canlaon by Abadalenga. Penrith still in second. Mr. Minister Hot and Spicy up and away and Divine Zazie. With Canlaon still in front by about 2 lengths. And in second, Penrith. Mr. Minister is running by the Hot and Spicy. Canlaon still in front. Mr. Minister, Penrith on the outside, up and away, Divine Zazie. But it's still Canlaon, Hot and Spicy running by the Mr. Minister, and finally Canlaon second. Close, Hot and Spicy, Mr. Minister, up and away. Penrith and Divine Zazie comes in last.
Okay, Barangkaribista, for race number 9, ang una pong tumawid na meta, your favorite 6 horse, that's Canlaon with Val R. Dilemma, nasa segundo. Close nga po yung Hot and Spicy, numero 1, Mr. Minister. Let's take a look muna dito sa ating replay para sa ating race number 9.